Have you ever wondered about the hidden dangers lurking in the world of illicit substances? What makes one substance so much more dangerous than others? Today, we're diving deep into the facts about fentanyl and its profound effects on the human body. This isn't about fear, it's about knowledge and understanding. Fentanyl is a synthetic opioid, originally developed for managing severe pain, often for advanced cancer patients. It's incredibly potent, about 50 to 100 times more potent than morphine. To put that in perspective, a dose as small as 2 milligrams, which is about the size of a few grains of salt, can be lethal. So, how does it affect the body? When someone uses fentanyl, it binds to the body's opioid receptors, which are located in areas of the brain that control pain and emotions. This binding action drives up dopamine levels in the brain's reward areas, creating a state of euphoria and relaxation. However, this is where the extreme danger begins. Those same opioid receptors are also present in the brainstem, the area that controls essential life functions like breathing. Fentanyl can slow down and eventually stop a person's breathing entirely. This is called respiratory depression, and it's the primary cause of overdose fatalities. The user might feel sleepy, then lose consciousness, and their breathing can just ... stop. Because of its high potency, the line between a dose that produces a high and a lethal one is terrifyingly thin. This is especially true in the illicit drug market, where fentanyl is often mixed with other substances like heroin, cocaine, or counterfeit pills, and people have no idea they are taking it. This dramatically increases the risk of an accidental overdose. It's crucial to be aware of these facts, not to scare, but to inform. Knowledge is our best tool for prevention and safety. If you or someone you know is struggling with substance use, please know that help is available and recovery is possible. You can reach out to the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration's National Helpline for confidential, free, 24/7 support. Thank you for taking the time to learn with me today. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a like and subscribe for more important content. Stay safe, stay informed, and look out for one another.